Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making concrete observations. Awareness is the foundation. First, list 3 avoidant behaviors you notice in real interactions so you can spot patterns. Then, track your reactions for 2 weeks. Note when you pull away, minimize feelings, or cancel plans. Once done, pick one small vulnerability goal. Share one honest thought or feeling per week with someone you trust. This combination creates measurable data and a low-risk practice target that turns intention into action. Now you practice regulated approaches to connection. This is where change deepens. Start with a 3-step routine. Pause when you feel distance, take 3 slow breaths, then give a brief, honest response. Make 10-minute check-ins twice weekly with a trusted person to rehearse openness without pressure. During these moments, label your emotion, rate intensity from 0 to 10, and state one simple need: clarity, time, or support. These repeated small exposures teach your nervous system new patterns and reduce automatic withdrawal. To complete the process, consolidate progress into a 4-week maintenance plan with incremental vulnerability goals so gains stick. You schedule weekly practices, a short journaling habit, and monthly reviews to adjust difficulty by around 10 to 20%. If you feel overwhelmed or revert to old patterns, use a 5-minute grounding reset. List 5 things you see, 4 you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. This brings you back to the present. Make sure to celebrate small wins and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.